activity, the marble run. Okay, to do this activity, you need to find the paper roll, the tape, the bucket, and the wall, which you need to stick the paper roll on. So when you finish making the track like this, you can find different materials. For example, marbles, pom-pom, and the cotton ball. Now, when you finish making the track, you can try put all this material on the track, and then you can see which material can run the best. Alright, are you ready to see how to redo the track? Let's go!